Damn, boy. I'm gonna show y'all, man. I'm doing a supply and demand technique, and man, I missed my supply. I missed the area. I had it right here, right? But I missed getting in the trade because I was actually trying to set up my streaming. So I already missed out on some money for today, but we just gonna stay at it. Go tap into my YouTube, man. The live stream is up right now. Um, and we're gonna get into the market, man. It's your boy Too Litty. Let's make some money. Cashing out, baby. What's up, y'all? It's your boy Too Litty. We are back live. Free. God damn it. Damn, boy. I'm gonna show y'all, man. I'm doing a supply and demand technique, and man, I missed my supply. I missed the area. I had it right here, right? But I missed getting in the trade because I was actually trying to set up my streaming. So I already missed out on some money for today, but we just gonna stay at it. Yo, what's up? What's up, y'all? What's up? What's up? It's your boy Too Litty, man. Setting up these videos as usual. Took the day off yesterday. Market wasn't moving as expected, but we back today with some supply and demand techniques. But yeah, man, I've already missed my goddamn my area that I wanted to get in at. I missed it. Missed it setting up the stream. But hey, it is what it is. It's all good. I was waiting for it to do a couple things before I got in because I'm trying to learn to be a more patient trader. You know what I'm saying? But hey, we in it now. So we gonna stay in the game, man. We gonna stay in the game, baby. Right now, I'm in a trade right now with gold. So I got like two accounts open right now, and I'm trading with gold, and also trading with my usual US30. But gold is something that I've been wanting to try out. I'll show y'all here. But yeah, gold is something I wanted to try out. So I've been doing pretty good on it. I'm not doing good on this account though, man. I've lost a lot. I've lost $1,000. Yeah, so I'm down $1,000 on this account, and that is since goddamn the 14th. So it took me 10 days to lose $1,000. Whoop de doo. But hey, we not out of the game. I'm still staying in it, still keeping the account going. And then also I have this other account here where I got $300 inside of there. I just took $300 out of my bank account, put it into the trading account, and we just gonna trade there. I'll show y'all the move that I missed this morning. So this is the move that I missed right here. So I had drew this box here because it's from yesterday. So I knew once he got inside here, it was gonna go down, which it did. It totally hit it, and then it just came back down. So I missed that part. That was like all in a matter of 5 minutes, man, or 3 minutes. It happened so quick. But hey, it is what it is. I missed it. As you can tell, it came down here, but it didn't quite go down a lot. So it's still kind of upwards trend right now, but we're just gonna kind of wait. I would like to wait for it to hit inside of here before I decide if I'm gonna jump back in or not. Uh, so today's probably gonna be like a little waiting day. I'm already in some trades, like I said, on my other account with gold. And gold, I'm just basically just going smoothly off price action, man. I'm up not anywhere between it's floating between $7 and $10. I'm assuming since the US30 is going up, gold will go down. Because as the US dollar goes up, the gold will start going down. And usually when US dollars start going down, gold goes up. Because everybody's kind of panicking right now because of the whole BRICS or BRICS. Everybody's kind of panicking over that, which is rightfully so because all these countries are getting together to devalue the American dollar. So that's why gold has been like trending upwards for quite some time. Like for the last month, like golds went up extremely in the last month. It went from 1,800 to like 2,000. So that's pretty big. And then if you want to look at it from November it was like 1,600 to 2,000. So it went up damn near $400, which is a lot of movement for gold. But that's just a project that I've just been wanting to work on and start trading. But it looked like we're gonna have a down day. Looks like it, but I'm not entirely sure. As y'all can see, it says Wall Street struggles for traction. So, if y'all realize, if we look at it as a whole, right? Let's look at it from a whole point of view. So yeah, it's been staying in this area right here for like it's been doing this for the last I don't know last week since last week it's just been staying in this area pretty much since the fourth, and that's why I've lost so much money because it's just sticking in this area, and it did trade upwards, but then it's been trading sideways for quite a bit, and I got caught in that little sideways movement. Because it's just kind of up, down, one day down, next up, the next day down, the next day up. But it's making a movement. This basically is just consolidating. It's consolidating here, and it's consolidating in order to make the movers down. But it's just a matter of when, and I'm just getting caught up in the win. So I believe I got the right move, but I just think I'm early. Or but I had the perfect move last week, which I missed out on, which is fine. It happens, you know what I'm saying? But right now, I'm just waiting for it to hopefully come up here and then decide if it's going to stay up or down. But it might just stay down. But I believe that it will come back up to this green line here, which is my resistance, my 4-hour resistance. So we go here. This is the 4-hour chart. This is my 4-hour resistance. So I believe that it will go back up to the 4-hour resistance line. Because see, it went up there and then it pulled back. And then, but we also got this area here that I'll have on a closer view of another area of consolidation that I believe it tries to go to. But like I said, it should be pulling back towards my resistance area here. And then once I see it gets up into this area, or at least tries to get in this area, then I'll be ready to hit my sales. And this is the supply and demand technique. A lot of traders use the supply and demand technique. It's basically just price action for the charts. And I'm just giving y'all a little insight, a little bit of view, how to do the supply and demand. It's a lot of patience, you know what I'm saying? Usually I'm not very patient and I just kind of jump into trades. This is Freya, once again, as always. She always in the mix. Want me to play with her and her bone. But hopefully y'all had a good weekend, man. Hopefully y'all caught that stream Sunday. Sunday I did some Bitcoin charting. I tried to make some money off of it, and it was not very successful, y'all. It was not very successful. I lost quite a bit of money. But hey, you know, it is what it is. Sometimes you just take some chances. You try to try some stuff. But I really shouldn't have. I really should be sticking to what I'm good at. But hey, I'm trying to expand my horizons. You know what I'm saying? Horizons with Verizon, getting all these bad bugs out, man. But that's part of your trading journey. Within, like I said, I'm in a year of trading, right? So it's just part of my journey. You know what I'm saying? Of figuring out what works, what don't work. You know what I'm saying? Because I was getting a little not very confident. I was like, damn, man, the market not moving how I wanted to move. So let me go to something that I know, which is Bitcoin, which is XRP, which is Litecoin, which is Ethereum. Like I know those, you know what I'm saying? But trading Forex in those forms is not the easiest freaking thing, man. Because soon as you trade, you already at a disadvantage. You already $20 down. So whenever I put in trades with US30, like it's kind of precise. It's perfect. Like I'm only like maybe a 50 cent or $1 down, but as soon as I put in the trade with the crypto, I'm down $20, and that makes a huge difference. And it's because of the spread. The spread is very large. Like it's very large. I don't like the spread at all. So you gotta wait for it to move points before you even break even, and that's just not good trading fundamentals. It took me a night to realize that. So that's why I went to gold on this account. And we're doing pretty good on the gold right now, man. We're doing pretty good. I'm in a good spot right here. Uh, Sorry, my dog over here looked like she was choking or something. So I'm making some good money with gold, so that's straight. I can kind of hold on to this. We'll go ahead and set a stop loss. I'll set my stop loss right here at 1989. It is 9 o'clock, so I'm gonna expect some wild stuff to happen, and it look like it want to move upwards, or maybe not. But we'll go ahead and set that stop loss at 1989. So gold's moving kind of wild, but yeah, there we go. And US30 is moving kind of wild as well. Ooh wee, ooh wee. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Shoot, 1989. Since it kind of already hit it. But it should go to it. All right, there we go. There we go. It's moving downwards now. All right, so we'll just set that stop loss 1989 since it's moving downwards. So I'm showing y'all trading live at 5, baby. So look, we hit our area again on the whatchamacallit. See how we got back into the area, which I expected to happen. But let's see if we start getting some pullback. But we are in the area again. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in that sell, man. And let's see what happens. So this count, I'm keeping everything pretty tight, man. Like I'm not trying to take too much loss. And also I'm doing a new thing to where as soon as I get to like $20, I pretty much pull out, or I'm looking to start pulling out. And look at that, man. It's working pretty beautiful. So it hit my supply and demand zone, and now it's pulling back. Actually, I want to get that on video right there. Sorry, y'all. I gotta get this. I gotta get these reels and these shorts and all that stuff out, man. So as y'all can tell, I'm on live right now. I'm doing supply and demand trading. See how I got my supply zone, my supply zone right here. It pretty much hit that supply zone, and now it's moving backwards, moving to resistance. We'll see what it does here. And this is the trade here. So I'm $10 in profit right now. This is all part of supply and demand technique. Make sure y'all check out the YouTube. We are live right now. Live trading, baby. Let's get it. So as y'all can tell, I'm on live right now. So yeah, it's all about the content, y'all. It's all about the content. COE, baby. Content over everything. But yeah, just trying to get better at providing content, man, for y'all. So we'll also set a stop loss on this as well. We'll make it 55, 33, 855. So that way I don't take no loss at all. 855. And we'll just do it like that, man. But I might be looking to take profit on this right now. Oh, okay. It's moving back on my way. Let's see if it stays that way. So we in an area where anything could happen because we right by here. I would like to see it close below there, and then I'll feel more confident about the trade. So I'm just kind of waiting to see, but I'm also looking to get out because I am $15 in profit. And like I said, on this account, I just want to take profits very quickly. And I'll show y'all on the tab right here. So right now we $20 in profit. So that's my rule, and I'm sticking to it. So we're just gonna go ahead and take profit on that. So like I said, my rule is once I see $20 profit, I'm just getting out of the trade. I'm not gonna be greedy on it and not try to get more. But y'all just see me make $20, and now we'll just wait for the next move. We'll wait for it to see if it hits up inside of here again, because we're in a tricky area. So it's already in an upwards trend. We already in an upwards trend. All right. Let me get a little closer here. Let's do this one right here. Yeah. So yeah, like I said, we're already in an upwards trend. Actually, since that's the last one. Yeah. Yeah, so we already in the upwards trend, so it's looking to move upwards, but we're just catching those little pips while we can, and we'll see if it hits share this tab instead. Oh yeah, so we already in the upwards trend, right? We're already going upwards. But that's why I ended up just getting out of the trade. I hit my $20. I got out. I was happy. Got out. Like I said, that's my new thing, man. But now we're just seeing if it hit the supply zone again. If it hits the supply zone again and pulls back, we'll enter in another sell. And we'll just rinse, wash, and repeat. You know what I'm saying? But this one, the next one, I'll probably just take $10 and see what happens there. But it's just my thing is like I've been trying to hit too many home runs, and whenever you get in that mode of trying to hit too many home runs, you get a little stuck, and it starts to flaw your trading because you like trying to make too much money too fast. But that's why I'm just getting back to taking a slower approach, building the account slowly, not over leveraging myself, keeping 0.1 lots, just being smarter, getting out of trades early, being more patient. And see, now we got that pullback. So now I'm feeling pretty comfortable, but I'm gonna let it try to come up since we right here at resistance zone. Because I want to be watchful, right? I want to be watchful because we right here at this resistance line. So I want to be very watchful of this resistance line because it can get tricky when it's right here. Because as you can tell, it's already on some up and down stuff. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, right? So it can get tricky. So that's another key stuff to recognize, man. But as you can tell, I got my box right here, right? And we hitting it, but we really not. So it's telling me that it wants to move downwards from here. But also we can't be too sure, man. We can't be too sure. So I've already hit my stop loss on the other trade. Let's see. So I made $4 off of that trade, that last trade on the gold, which is perfectly fine. And look at that, we got our movement down. So let's go ahead and We'll wait. We'll wait. We'll be patient. We'll be patient. Let it get above. Let it get above. There we go. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Patience strikes, man. Patience strikes. All right. We got that movement. And let's see if it stay that way. But right here, I'm looking to get out of this pretty quickly, just in case if it goes up or down. I'm looking to get out of it quickly. But look like we got that movement down. Hopefully it stays that way. I would say I got in a little too late, which I really don't like. Uh, so I might just actually just take the first profit I see on this because I got in late. Uh, yeah, so I'm gonna take $3 profit on that because I got in late. I didn't like the move, and that's a new thing I'm gonna do as well too. Is whenever I'm in a trade and I don't like it, I'm gonna just as soon as I hit some kind of profit, I'm just go ahead and get out of it and just let it be what it is, and we'll just catch the next play. Cause that's the whole thing, man, about all this stuff. Like you might miss, maybe you'll miss a train the first time, maybe you'll miss it the second time, but it's always gonna come back. You know what I'm saying? It's always gonna come back. For it's always gonna be in order. And I was actually right, so I could have stayed in that, but you know, it is what it is. I didn't feel comfortable with the trade, so I got out of it, and that's perfectly fine. You know what I'm saying? So that's another thing I'm teaching myself, man. Like I said, I'm just showing y'all my journey with trading with forex, man. The try to do crypto and forex wasn't very pretty. It's very profitable. It can be very profitable. Uh, so maybe I might take it once I see Bitcoin like really, really tanking. If I see Bitcoin tanking, I'm definitely gonna jump in and put a trade in there while it's tanking. But other than that, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna chase those. But right now I'm gonna just kind of stick with US30 and gold. Hello, Freya. Hello. You just love being part of the stream, don't you? So actually, as y'all can tell, man, I was actually in a good mood, man. I was in a good mood, but I just, like I said, I just didn't like it. I didn't feel comfortable with it because I got in late. If I would have got in here somewhere around this area, I would have been more comfortable. But since I didn't, I just wasn't very comfortable with the move. So that's why I just got out of it. But I made profit off of it. So like I said, man, we just gonna build this account slowly. I'm $44 in, and as you can tell, I haven't put very many trades on it. I got my stop loss here, and then these are just quick get out because I probably just didn't like the play. I didn't like it. I didn't feel comfortable with it, so I got out. But we up 44 bucks on the account already. Like I said, it's a brand new account, and yeah, man. So that's just some simple supply and demand techniques. Um, I made $20 for the day. I'm good. So I might look for another trade later. But right now, that's about it, man. I, I got nothing more. You know what I'm saying? Um, like I said, I just want to take this account slow. Like hell, if I make $20 a day, $20 a day, 5 days a week, that's $100. You know what I'm saying? So that's an extra $100 I could just throw into my bank account and be Gucci. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, I'm looking at it. I'm like, damn, bro, that was a good play. That was a really solid play, but I didn't like it, so I got out of it. So hey, man, as y'all can tell, I'm still not very confident in my moves all the way. I got the setups, I got everything, but confidence is still a factor, y'all. It's still a factor. I'm missing out on some money here because I became unconfident in my move and I got out of it. And hey, that just happens. But I still made profit, so I'm not mad. You know what I'm saying? I made $3. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, it is what it is. So I'm up $23 for the day. It's not bad. Right now, I don't know what it's gonna do. It might hit into this area. It might hit into this area right here and then decide to pull up, or it could just get right here. So we got two areas. So this would have been my TP1, right? And this would have been my TP2, right? because these are take profit areas. And I got these because we got this ending right here, and then we got this ending right here. So yeah. Now the old me, I would usually let it come down and go up, and then I'll take the trade going up. But we don't know what the market's gonna bring. So what's the point of me trying to chase something? I would really be chasing it because I missed out because I was right on that last play that I did. I was actually right on that trade. So I would usually be chasing the next trade, trying to make back what I didn't get. You know what I'm saying? Like I'll be like revenge trading or FOMO trading. You know what I'm saying? And I'm just staying away from that. I'm just staying away from that. I'm trying to be better at this. So what if I make $20 a day? You know what I'm saying? $20 a day, 5 days a week. That's $100 a day. Do that 4 times a week. That's $400. I mean, $100 a week. Do that 4 times. That's $400. That's $400 in a month. $400 in a month times 12 is 24. 400 times 12 is 24. Is it 2,400 or 24,000? I think it's 2,400 because 100, so 24,000. I mean 2,400. That's 200. That's $2,400 every in a year. Yep. But if I bumped it up to $50 a day, it'd be $12,000, $600. Move it, girl. Damn. Where's your phone, dude? So yeah, man, I'm gonna get off the screen. I'm gonna step away from the charts. Like I said, man, this is the best way to stay making money in the market, man, is just to walk away, y'all. Just to walk away. But hopefully y'all like this stream. Very quick stream showing y'all supply and demand technique on how to make some money. Y'all saw me make $20 that easy. Hopefully y'all, if y'all like the stream, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you follow me on TikTok at 2Litty Living. Follow me on Instagram, 2Litty Living. And it's your boy 2Litty, man. Cashing out, baby. Let's get it.